Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, let's just get into it. We could see that Bitcoin right now getting back up to $46,698 after getting a bit of a dump today, or like I guess today we came down to 45,000 exactly, coming and touching the bottom of this trend, this channel right here. Now we bounced up and actually broke out of the channel, so right now we're trying to climb up to maybe, you know, retest that $48,000 level. As we can see, it was major resistance at one point. We'll take a look at that in just a bit, but let's get back to market cipher right now. We can see we're printing a -5 and a 15 right now, so quite bullish on the 12-hour candles. However, on the daily we do have a 9 and a 0. This could change with a pump towards the upside. Excuse me again, I'm always burping when I make my videos, but moving on, we could see that right now Bitcoin, you know, is starting to gain some strength at the moment. We could see further upside, maybe pushing past 48,000 would be extremely bullish. Again, getting over that 200 daily moving average, you know, has been quite the struggle so far. You know, we did make that initial contact right there and then we got rejected, so let's see if we can break it again. If we do break it, we would want to retest this as support. It's also possible we get even to up to 52,000, and there, you know, we get a strong rejection from there. So, you know, 52,000 would be the next area to short. So if you want to take a look at it, 52,000 is going to be a strong area of resistance. Again, moving on right now, you know, on some shorter time frames, on the 4-hour, you know, we do have a green dot right now on market cipher A. A 16, quite bullish. You know, it's just flipping from bearish to bullish. You know, it's just trying to pick a trend at the moment. However, the money flow is almost crossed into the red here, but right now we were saved by a bit of a pump towards the upside. So let's just take a look and see what happens. Again, traditional markets getting a nice pump up today. Twitter moving up not $50, up to 50. It's at $50 now, but moving up 30% on the day. $49.97. Again, Elon Musk getting a 9.2% stake in the company now, so huge news there. Again, that entire news kind of dragged the entire sector up. You know, whole tech sector was up today, but trading on very thin volume, so always be careful for that. So yeah, we're gonna get to this chart in just a bit, but right now, yeah, let's just focus up on Bitcoin. We're trying to get across this green resistance box on the TA2 chart. So if you guys want access to these charts, you guys can join the Discord. Again, market cipher is not included in the Discord. Getting a lot of people joining the Discord thinking market cipher is included. Market cipher is a separate indicator that you have to purchase. Links in the description. So right now, Bitcoin, if we do get above, that would be extremely bullish. We do have that Bitcoin conference. Bitcoin conference has you know, historically, you know, speaking, it's been quite bullish for Bitcoin, but you know, it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news. But again, this Bitcoin conference could spark a lot of new investors. This could push up the Bitcoin price to 52,000, and then from there we might get a rejection. Lots of speculation there. We're just gonna have to see how things play out for the time being. Right now, Ethereum getting past 34,000, coming back down, testing it as support, holding this line very nicely. Again, next resistance going to be around 36,000. I expect Ethereum to have some significant resistance coming at 36,000. Again, some people in the Discord think otherwise, but you know, you can have your own opinions and stuff like that. You know, 36,050 or 36,050 should be a good area of resistance, as we can see right here. You know, this was resistance, and then flipped as support. Flipped the support. You know, we did get a big wick there, I guess, support, and then support. Eventually we did break down. Again, if we do get to that point, you know, this would be a good area to short. You know, we might get a rejection from there, but again, some people think you know, in the Discord, Paul had some reasons to believe that, you know, if we do get over 36,000, it could be like an open air gap and we just fly straight to 37,040. Sorry, not 37,000, 3,745. I keep saying 36,000. No, 3,650. So yeah, 3,650 would be a good area for Ethereum to short. But yeah, overall, you know, I don't have much bullish aspect on the traditional market. So right now we are pushing, you know, up to 34,892. But let's take a look at this chart right here before, you know, right now this is 2022 for the S&P 500 or the SPY, basically the same thing. And we can see that you know, right here, this is the 2008, right before the flood, before that crash down during the financial crisis, and we can see that, you know, we got a bottom here, you know, bottom here, and then we came back up, made a new high, and then we dipped back down and did a little bit of a bottom there, pushed up, made a little bit of a higher high, and then started to roll over. And then from there on, we formed a beautiful double bottom, had a rise up, you know, people thinking getting quite bullish, and then, you know, we topped out around this area, and then we reversed down. Now, is that happening right now? You know, it's possible. You know, we have some very similar patterns back from 2008. You know, we did form this bottom right here, and then we start to roll over, and it looks like right here we formed a beautiful double bottom once again. And then from there on, we're getting a nice rally. Now, is this rally over yet? You know, some people are thinking that's it. You know, where the bottom is in, we're gonna go to new all-time highs. But the fundamentals don't say that. You know, the Fed is tightening. Don't fight the Fed, right? When they start printing money, don't short. Don't open your shorts and bet, you know, wait for lower prices, because the Federal Reserve is gonna print the hell out of print us out of a recession. You know, you could just see that. You know, we had such a huge rise, trillions of dollars being injected into the economy, and now that they're tightening, you know, you expect us to go to new all-time highs, supply chain disruptions. We have war on the rise, rising inflation, and now they're adding on rate hikes and then quantitative tightening. All of this spells like a disaster. The fact that they keep saying, you know, we are not headed towards a recession. Of course they're gonna say that. You really think they're gonna tell you if we're headed towards a recession? Of course they don't want you to know if we're headed towards a recession. If they tell you that, it's gonna be panic in the market, and everything's gonna start tanking. They're never gonna tell you that it's a recession. You'll know it once you experience it. But yeah, overall, you know, if we do get a new, you know, drop in the S&P 500 and the SPY, then yeah, that would be quite bearish, and that would confirm my predictions. But yeah, well, we'll just have to see what happens. April 12th, next CPI numbers come out. Moving on, right now, gold trading a little bit sideways, coming down for a little bit. If we do come down, you know, next area of support is going to be 1908, but I'm hoping that gold can get back down to 1829. It's going to be a great area to scoop up gold, buy silver stocks, buy gold stocks, you know, and then from there on, I expect gold to make a new all-time high after that, breaking that $2,075 level. But yeah, overall, things are looking quite good. And same thing for silver, coming down. If we do come down to the $24 level, or, you know, $23.90, that would be a great area to buy silver. Retesting this trend line as support, you know, resistance. We break out, now we're going to retest that support. We did get this big wick down. There's a big wick for silver right there. You guys could have opened some longs, made some nice gains. Again, oil looks like, you know, we might be coming down, maybe back down to that $85 level, or you know, this previous high around $75. But you know, we are in war times in Ukraine and Russia, so don't bet the farm on it. And yeah, right now, overall, Bitcoin could be getting a pump to 52,000 due to this Bitcoin conference. But again, don't bet the farm on it. Place your trades accordingly and use proper risk management. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's still $10 a month for gold membership and $5 a month for silver. If you haven't already, you guys can sign up for BitGet Trading. Links in the description. Also, guys, I'm going to be adding some stuff to my website tonight, but we'll see if I can get it done in time. Love you guys. Peace. Also, we're at 8,888 subscribers, so big milestone there. Thanks, guys. Peace.